friends, and welcome back to my channel, and also Happy New Year. It is officially 2023 and you have a clean slate. You have the opportunity to make this year whatever you want it, and I'm going to lead you through a really powerful EFT tapping to get you hyped up and excited for everything coming your way this year, and also infuse some really powerful affirmations into your subconscious and help you shift your habits even easier with this tapping. But before we can get into that, I need you to find 3 words that describe who you want to be by the end of this year and 3 habits you want to embody. I guide you through this in our New Year Goal Manifesting Workshop. I give you a fully guided visualization to tap into that future version of yourself. So if you haven't checked that out yet, go do it now. Get your 3 words and your 3 habits. And if you don't have time for that, save it for later and just pause me right now and find those 3 words and 3 habits you want to focus on this year. Okay, do you got them? Good. Let's chat about the tapping. If you've never done emotional freedom technique tapping, it is super simple. All you have to do is tap where I tap and repeat after me. And you'll see on the screen where you have to insert those 3 words or those 3 habits. Don't worry, it's super easy. I will guide you through all of it. So with that being said, let's get tapping. 2023 is gonna be my year. I just know it. I put in so much work last year. All of the things that I did for my health, all of the moves I made in my career, every moment of inner work was adding up. And this year, y'all don't even know what's in store for this year. It might just be my best one yet. It might just be the most magical one. The most expansive one. The most, holy shit, I can't believe that happened. 2023 is going to be a year that I look back on so proud of. And still kind of in shock of how amazing it was. So many things shifted for me this year. So many goals were accomplished. Sometimes it felt like there was a manifestation around every corner. Truly, everything was working out for my highest good. And even though there were a few moments this year of what the hell is going on, it still worked out in my favor. Because it always does. As I say, it's always this or something better. And the something better kept coming and coming. All because I was an energetic match for my desires. I kept showing up for them every single day. I took every opportunity to think like the person I want to become, to tap into the emotions and feel like the person I want to become, and take actions like the person I want to become. Those 3 steps: think it, feel it, act it. Every single day completely changed my life. And it felt so easy and fun along the way. I really focused on those 3 words I said at the beginning of the year. I committed to feeling, and also, and lastly. Those 3 words were my guiding stars. And it made achieving all of my goals feel so easy. And those words combined with my new habits of, and also, and really shifted how I saw myself. Really changed how I felt every day. And it definitely transformed how I was showing up. It's crazy to think that it was just 3 words and 3 habits that completely changed it all for me. But also, it's not that surprising because it gets to be easy. It gets to be fun. This life gets to be magical. And I have the universe, God, angels, ancestors, every force that wishes me well, supporting and guiding me along the way. I couldn't F up this year, even if I tried. And I'm sure there'll be some moments that feel that way. But by the time I get to the end of this year, I'm gonna look back and see how all of those moments worked out for my highest good. Just like they did last year. And maybe I'll find a little bit of gratitude in the growth. Maybe I can even find gratitude every single day. That one act alone could completely change my life. And on top of it, I'm gonna think, feel, and act like the person I wanna be. Because I know that's the key to manifesting it. I am so incredibly grateful for all of the opportunities 2023 is bringing me. I'm so excited for all of the magical moments and manifestations coming my way. And I know that no matter what happens this year, I got this. And the universe has my back. And so it is. Okay, take a deep breath in for me. Let it go. How are you feeling about 2023? I would absolutely love to hear what your 3 words are and your 3 habits and any aha moments that came up during this tapping. Feel free to comment them below because truly when you start to share what your goals are in terms of just those 3 habits, you're more likely to achieve them. And especially going through a tapping like this and infusing those positive affirmations and that commitment to doing them, it's a game changer. So feel free to come back to this tapping as often as you need. Anytime you need a little pick me up, or maybe you're doubting yourself this year, come back to this tapping, hype yourself back up, and then go out there. Go back to your 3 habits, go back to those 3 words, go back to thinking, feeling, and acting like the person you wanna be. That is truly the key to manifesting anything that's on your vision board this year. And I can't wait to hear all about it as we work together these next 12 months, 24 months. I'm gonna be here for a while. I'm gonna be here forever. But I'm really excited to go through this journey with you every single week this year of tapping together or visualizing together or whatever else comes of this channel throughout the year. There's some really fun and exciting things on the way. But I'm excited to see my own growth. I'm excited to hear about your growth. And if you ever have a question about anything when it comes to goal setting, habit changing, mindset shifts, manifestation, health and fitness, anything, feel free to send me a message. I would love to help you out in any way that I can. And I will see you next week for another Tap Tuesday.